back to Lola Lollipop. Today, it's our first day of homeschooling. Me and my little sister are going to make a little snack for my family. So, today we're going to make fruit flowers using lots of fruit, especially during quarantine. So, let's get to it.
Sing oh, eh, oh, show the world you got that fire. Feel the rhythm getting louder. Show the room what you can do. Prove to them you got the moves. Hey, I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah.
Thanks for watching. Now it's time to test try it. I'm gonna take the strawberry first. It's done. Make sure to give a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Remember, it's Lola the Lollipop.